Hey, here is week 4 of the Designer Playground Design Challenge. Here is day 1, and so this one is actually inspired by, I guess you could say, like something that I guess triggered me. And I had to speak up, or I felt like I should have spoken up. And I actually did end up speaking up. I had to speak and have a uncomfortable conversation, but I'm glad that I did. And I was actually, I guess, kind of motivated to do it by working on actually this challenge beforehand. It's almost like it gave me the guts to just have this conversation. And sometimes, you gotta stand up, you gotta speak up, even if your voice shakes. So that's basically what inspired this challenge, and I like how it turned out. So yeah, I came up with a lot, and I ended up doing more than 15 minutes for that particular one. Actually ended up doing 44 minutes because I got so into it, so I cheated a little bit. Now on to the next one. This is day 2, and yeah, I was inspired by the word or the idea of being driven, and I feel like I'm a very driven person, and I think I made this right after working out or working on or thinking about my goals, and I just felt this burst of energy, and I was like, yes. The word insatiable drive popped up in my head, and I wanted to do a cool mixer brush with stars, so that's something new that I tried. Anyways, that's it for this week. Take care.